हाथों की लकीरों में नसीब नहीं होता, क्योंकि नसीब तो उनका भी होता है जिनके हाथ नहीं होते। This girl is deprived of both hands, but she has dreams in her eyes. And this courage to envisage the dream is bestowed to her by Deepstambh Manobal. With the mission for students aged above 18 who hail from poor, tribal community, specially abled and orphan in our country should get a quality education, and a society should empower them by considering as one of ourselves. With his colleagues, Professor Yajurvendra Mahajan led the milestone of Manobal and Sanjeevan projects under Deepstambh Foundation. Deepstambh is the first and foremost institution in India which offers all types of free residential training courses and guidance of competitive examinations like UPSC, MPSC, staff selection, banking, computer training, and skill development to visually impaired, orthopedic, deaf, mute, orphan, and tribal students. By wiping out the misconception that disability is a shortcoming, Manobal added fuel to the dreams of several specially abled students. Today, many students in the Manobal initiative are living proudly by standing on their own feet. Today, self-confidence has taken the place of tears in their eyes. Rather than crying, they are fighting with the adverse situation. And this light of hope is brought in their lives by Deepstambh's Manobal initiative. Yearly about Rs 80,000 is the expenditure for each student living here. Donations are received from various noble individuals and organizations. Currently, 272 students live in the Manobal initiative. Manobal is considered as a home away from home for these students. They don't need anybody's pity, but ask for friendship, trust, and affection. By receiving all-round growth, love, happiness, and self-confidence, these students have also become IAS officer, income tax officer, and bankers, and are still fighting with the situation. This is a new dawn for an underprivileged youth of India. Let's come together to make this world more beautiful and also make our life more meaningful. जब दिल में था घना अंधेरा, लगता मैं हूं कि मैं नहीं हूं। कहीं से आसमां में उजाला आया, मन का पंछी गाता और गोते लगाता। अरे आसमां तो हमेशा से खुला था। मुझको मेरे होने पे यकीन आ गया, मुझको मेरे होने पे यकीन आ गया।